Hello everyone, this is another interesting video, another of my strange problems that I'm having with the 5 Series BMW. Since I bought the car, I might be very picky and very obsessive. I felt a strange smell in the car. At first I considered that maybe the previous owner has smoked or has done other things in the car. And as time passed, I've tried to sort it out. It's a very faint smell. To describe it, it's like burned oil. And at first I was thinking that maybe something is happening in the engine bay, and all the oil and all the chemicals, all those smells are coming inside of the car. But a few days ago I decided to clean the carpets. Anyways, I had stripped the back of the car to help someone move, and my eureka moment was finding out that that strange smell comes in fact from this material, this lining. And now, to make sure that I'm having the correct diagnosis, I have found the source of my problem. I will remove it from the car, and in the following days I will see if I'm still able to see that smell. Now, if you're having this type of strange smell in your car, or if you are very picky with the smells that you have in your car, try smelling this area. Okay, you will have your back seats, but smell in this area, and if you feel a strange smell, oily, burned something, you might also want to remove this lining. If this sorts out the issue, I will put some sound deadening on these surfaces, but for this moment I'm only removing it. Let's see how it goes. Need to understand how far back this material is going. But it stops here. Because we don't want to remove the wire harnesses, I will make some small incisions. I can feel the smell even now when I'm working on it. I need to be careful not to destroy my harnesses. Well, my idea of cutting it nicely didn't really play out. Phew. And I will use some sound deadening material that I used in the doors. You need to pay attention to the fiber optics. These are very sensitive, especially if it is cold outside. It's very strange that the harness for the BMW doesn't have the Copex on top of it. Other brands, well, they're using those Copex tubes on top of them, and it would be very hard for you to have access to what's inside.